Geomagic Control X 2020 Service Pack 1 Command Line Inspection. The first demonstration shows the simple workflow of opening Control X and importing a scan using only the command line. Simply provide the location of the Control X application and the location of the target scan data. The second demonstration similarly shows importing a scan set into Control X using only the command line. This time, however, an existing Control X project file can be opened first. Simply add the location of the CX project file to use this workflow. The last demonstration takes everything a step further, and now demonstrates creating a report file using only the command line. This time around, the user provides the path to a configuration file. This easily editable text file contains the location of the measured data, the CX project file, as well as reporting options and save location.